If you're listing your home this spring, check your roof first. Inspectors are red flagging roofs now more than ever. Especially now, if the roof is older than 20 years, that's when negotiations for credit start happening because homeowners want to move in with peace of mind. As part of an inspection, visible wear and tear is going to be missing shingles, granules, a shiny roof becomes a vulnerable roof, and also because those vulnerable signs are not visible to the eye, it does not mean that there's not hidden damage underneath the valleys, around the skylights, around the solar tube, at the wall penetration where the roof meets the wall. It's always good to get that initial inspection. The benefits of getting a pre-listing inspection for your roof is going to allow the transaction to move in smoother. There's no negotiations happening for credits for the roof because as a roofing company, we give you either a 2-year warranty for a repair or a 10-year warranty for a full roof replacement. A lot of the issues that we run into is a homeowner assumes that the house is already sold, and right before they're getting ready to finalize the agreement, the roof becomes a conversation. We find out that the roof is older, and now that homeowner loses thousands of dollars in escrow, and the roof now needs to be replaced in order for the house to sell. Doing a roof inspection now can save your equity later. Before you list your home, give us a call at 916-910-5542 or alexperezroofing.com to ensure your home's as watertight as it gets.